Got a 1967 Nova Chevy 2 radio original. We've done a conversion on it. It's got AM FM stereo, auxiliary in, 180 watts 4-channel, 5 pre-outs across the back, 1 feet speaker and a sub if you want to add an amp. It's got an auxiliary in, USB. Plug into your USB stick here and play your favorite tunes and charge your phone and devices. It also has Bluetooth and voice command. This is your mic here. It comes with it. A little small one. You can just clip on them wherever you want to. Cleaned up real well. We're just now running it in for the first time. First thing we're going to do is we're going to set the Bluetooth up. We're going to pair it up. We'll get our Bluetooth up on our phone here. Little light starts coming up. Crank it down towards the volume side twice. Now our Aurora Design has come up. We're going to click on it. Now it's going to pair up to the phone. Now it says we're connected, blue light shining. Got our phone paired up. Every time you get in the car with your phone and turn it on, it will automatically pair up for you. We got an AM, FM right now we're on. All your push buttons still work like they always did.
You want room?
We got AM, just turn it off and right back on. Takes you to AM. A little beep tells you that you're back on, you're paired back up. Go off and right back on FM.
Here's another new one from George Ezra.
It's gonna beep again.
It's called Blame It On Me, Lightning 100.
There it goes, now we're paired back up. You have treble, bass, like you always did. The way your fader works, we got 4 speakers on this one right now, and your fader and balance is all in your treble. You find your bass, treble, find the center of it, pump it twice clockwise. Quits beeping, we're going to change our fader around. Now we found it's going to beep once, back on treble and bass. Opposite direction. Now we're going to balance right and left. Back on treble and bass. That's how that works. That way you can balance your speakers out however you want them to sound. We're going to do auxiliary in. We got a little iPod plugged up. We're going to turn it on and turn some music on. And all you got to do is push this one button here and you're in. Volume still works on this. That's how your auxiliary in. You get this cable here, it comes with this. Plug it in right there. That's your auxiliary in on it. That way you can plug up the device, any device, and play it. Next thing we're going to do is anytime you're ready to come out of it, just push a button. Go right back to FM stereo. We're going to supply you with a USB port with some music on it. All you do is plug this in. Well, go straight to it. Want to play your music, change your songs, just take the tuner knob and turn it. go up to forward, advance your songs. You can also back up. You don't want to pull that out or charge your phone, you can leave this in if you got it hid. Just take your volume knob and turn it down twice, and we'll put this in pause. Light's going to blink a couple times, we're going to go right back to radio. Just like that. Same way bringing it back up. You're driving down the street, you're listening to radio, you want your favorite music, you ain't got to find your stick, it's already in there. Just take it, turn it down twice. There it goes. Now we're back on the stick. And it will come right back to where you left it. Put it back in pause.
Last time your battery gave out.
Now we're going to do our voice command. Take the volume knob, turn it up twice. Well, I brought the stick back up. Put it back in pause. Let it cycle back around. Then we're going to do the voice command for your Bluetooth.
At participating Napa Auto Parts stores. Offer expires 2/28/50.
Play music. Phone's operating a little slow today. It says what?
I found an entry about music on Wikipedia. Shall I read it to you?
No.
Okay, I won't read it.
Don't understand redneck, does she? Play music. Now she's
Okay.
gonna start shuffling my music.
Baby child, my daddy said to me, many mountains we must climb.
Want to change the songs on your phone? Same method as you do the USB. Just turn that, it works your phone. You can advance songs. You can go back. We'll bring her back up, put the phone in pause. Well, we put the phone in pause. Cycle back around to FM. You can ask her to find you a restaurant, call home, whatever you'd like to do. Find restaurant.
I see a handful of restaurants near you. For instance, Sonny's Music Cafe and Creperie, and Los Compadres, a Mexican place. The first one is Sonny's Music Cafe and Creperie on Lebanon Road, less than a mile to your east. Does that one look good?
No.
The next one is Los Compadres, located about a half-mile to your south. It is a Mexican place that gets 3.5 stars and is moderately priced. Do you want that one?
Yes.
Perfect. I can call that location or get directions to it. What would you like me to do?
Play music.
Okay.
Anyhow, that's how your voice command works for your phone. We'll put it back off. You'll go right back to radio. You get this cable here with it, extension, you can put it anywhere you want to. Everything will be labeled for you. Bring our stick right back up, start playing music. Put it back in pause and go right back to radio. You can work everything off your two knobs here. Your tuner knob and your volume knob. I'll do a little more cleaning on it, get everything labeled, and it'll be ready to go. That's a little radio there. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.